Hello friends, I'm Eric Hutchinson. I'm the principal broker and owner of Hutchinson Realty. Welcome to this month's market update. It is August 1st of 2022 and I have a lot of interesting data to go over with you today. Over the past 2 years, we have seen our market increase every single month. Our price per square foot and our sold prices have increased every single month until the last couple of months, where we have started to see a plateau. Our sold listings are starting to level off. And in the past 30 days, if you've been watching my videos, you've seen that our active list prices have actually decreased in their pricing because the sellers haven't been able to sell their homes. But what about our sold listings? Over the past 30 days, have our sold listings maintained their level, or have we seen some decreases in some towns? We're going to be talking about that today. We're also going to be looking at, are we selling as many homes as we sold the previous month? Are we seeing a slowdown in our real estate market? We're going to be looking at our 5 towns: Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, and Bella Vista, and we're only looking at single-family residential property. Let's get into the data, shall we? We're going to start south in Fayetteville, and this time last year, we always take a little snapshot. This time last year, there were 184 listings sold, and the median sold price in Fayetteville this time last year was $303,079 at $157 per square foot. Don't we wish we could go back in time? If you look down just below that, that is last month's data. When I say last month, we're talking about June. We're looking at July in our current data because we're always looking 30 days back. So we're going to be looking at last month, which is June's data. There were 149 listings sold in Fayetteville and a median sold price of $380,000 at $195 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right hand of your screen and you'll see the sold listings for Fayetteville over the past 30 days. There's been 117 sold listings. So we have decreased in the amount of homes that have sold in Fayetteville the last 30 days. Last month it was 149. This last 30 days it's been 117. And look at our median sold price, $385,000. So that went up just a little bit. But look at our price per square foot. Our price per square foot decreased by $4 per square foot at $191 per square foot. Now we're still $34 per square foot higher than we were this time last year, but we've seen a decrease in our price per square foot in Fayetteville over the past 30 days. Sellers haven't been able to get the high active list price that they've been asking, so they've had to lower that, and there's not as many people making offers on the property, so the properties are not selling at the high rate that they were. Look at our pending listings. There's 306 pending listings, which is quite a bit, at a median pending price of $391,000 at $192 per square foot, still lower than last month's sold listings. The active listings, there's 243 active listings, so our inventories are starting to increase at a median active list price of $459,900, and that's $205 per square foot. Let's move over to Springdale and look at their data. This time last year, there were 152 sold listings at a median sold price of $266,500 at $145 per square foot. Now drop down and look at last month in June. There were 103 listings sold and a median sold price of $316,500 at $173 per square foot. Now, Springdale is one of only 2 towns that has actually increased in their value over the last 30 days. So if you go over to the right, you see that there are 92 sold listings, and it's still not selling as many houses as last month. But look at the median sold price and the median sold price per square foot. The median sold price is $304,968, which is actually a little bit less than the previous month. But look at the price per square foot. It's at $175. So it's actually increased by a couple dollars per square foot. Let's move up to our pending listings. There are 168 pending listings in Springdale right now. The median pending price is $339,500 at $175 per square foot. So it's maintaining from the sold to the pending, the price per square foot. There are 122 active listings in Springdale right now at a active median list price of $517,500 at $193 per square foot. Now, again, we've seen an increase in a couple dollars per square foot, but I suspect that you will see a decrease, a settling a little bit next month. So come back next month and we'll check that out. But we're still $30 per square foot higher in Springdale than we were this time last year. Let's move over to Rogers. Rogers this time last year sold 139 listings at a median sold price of $320,499 at $157 per square foot. Last month, 122 listings sold in Rogers at a median sold price of $413,500 at $194 per square foot. Now move over to the right. There has been in the last 30 days 104 listings that have sold in the month of July. So that's a decrease in the amount of listings that have sold in Rogers in 30 days at a median sold price of $425. And look at the price per square foot, $189 per square foot. So Rogers actually lost $5 per square foot in their value in just the last 30 days. Look at the pending listings, 155 pending listings. The pending median price is $399.9 at $192 per square foot, and the active listings there's 145 active listings at a $569,000 list price at $199 per square foot. Now let's move over to Bentonville. This time last year, 135 listings sold at a $404,000 median sold price at $166 per square foot. Oh, I wish I could buy some houses at that in Bentonville right now. Last month in June, there were 132 listings sold at a median sold price of $490,000 at $199 per square foot. Now, Bentonville is the second town. The Springdale was one town and Bentonville is the other town that's actually gained a little bit of value in the last 30 days, but they have decreased in the amount of houses that have sold. 121 houses have sold, and the median sold price is $480,000 at $200 per square foot. Not a great increase, but at least they're not losing value there. Now it's still $34 per square foot higher than this time last year, which is still fantastic. If you bought a house in the last year, you can still make money on your house, which is just incredible in a 12-month period. Now you look at our pending listings, there are 368 pending listings. That's a bunch for Bentonville. The median pending price is $391,883 at $188 per square foot. Now our pending price per square foot is quite a bit lower, $10 per square foot lower. And I think that you'll see if you come back next month that we've probably going to lose a little value in Bentonville based upon the pending prices. Look at our active listings in Bentonville, 187 at a active list price of $555,000 at $207 per square foot. Now let's move over to Bella Vista. So Bella Vista this time last year sold 130 listings at $272,000 median list price, sold price at $152 per square foot. If you move down last month in June, they sold 108 listings at a median sold price of $352 and $191 per square foot. Now move over to the right. Bella Vista has followed the same trend, selling less houses than they sold the month before, but the median sold price is a little bit higher, has a little bit lower at $340,000 at $184 per square foot. So Bella Vista lost some value in their price per square foot as well. And so it's going to be interesting to see if that trend continues. So that's still $32 per square foot higher than this time last year. There's 132 pending listings at a median pending price of $360,000 at $187 per square foot. And if you go up to the active listings, there's 162 active listings in Bella Vista. So at one point we got down to 17 active listings in Bella Vista. We have come up an incredible amount in our inventory, which is pushing the prices down just a little bit there. The active list price is $392,000 at $196 per square foot. So that's our Bella Vista housing. They have lost a little value too. So only two towns have gained in value, and just barely. That would be Springdale and Bentonville. Now let's look at our specialty properties before we draw some conclusions. Right now there are 14 Beaver Lake homes and 2 Bella Vista lake homes, which brings 16 lakefront properties in Northwest Arkansas, and there's only 12 golf front properties in Northwest Arkansas, 2 in Bella Vista, 8 in Rogers, and 2 in Fayetteville. Now let's draw a few conclusions. So you might think that, gosh, Eric, we're starting to lose value. Does that mean that our economy is about to tank in Northwest Arkansas? Is our housing market, are we about to crash? Well, I don't think so. So just like whenever a house is being built, usually within the first year or two, there's a little bit of settlement. And I think that's what's going on. We've been increasing and increasing every single month the last 2 years, and now we've seen that start to plateau. So I think you're going to see it decrease a little bit while it settles, and we come to those values that we want to see our houses. Where are those values going to fall? Well, I think it's going to decrease. We've plateaued. It's going to decrease a little bit, and then it's going to level off. That's my take on the data, but it'll be interesting to watch it and see. And of course, our federal government has raised our interest rates again, so it'll be interesting to see if that impacts our market. Our inflation, they're trying to slow that down, but we've seen an incredible rate of inflation, so it'll be interesting to see whether or not our national economy goes into a recession and how that impacts our housing market. I am just a reporter. I'm just giving you information about our housing market so that you can make an educated decision. You can always reach out to me at info@hutchrealty.com. You can go to our website where you can view every listing in Northwest Arkansas, not just ours. And you can also get a free home evaluation on our website. But to get an accurate home evaluation, you need to have a realtor come out to your house and give you some hard data on your house compared to others. So no matter what, I wish you the very best. You can always message me on this video. No matter what, may God bless you and may God bless your home.